Hello everyone and welcome back to this month's Snow Report. We're changing it up and we're actually at NVIDIA's GTC. So let's jump in to the product announcements. Come on! Internal Marketplace. The internal marketplace in Snowflake is a curated, secure space for collaborative data sharing within your organization. Want to learn more? Be sure to tune into our upcoming webinar. End-to-end ML story. Snowflake Notebooks on container runtime. With Snowflake Notebooks on container runtime, Snowflake streamlines the end-to-end ML development lifecycle. Data scientists can leverage the power of CPUs or GPUs for large-scale ML training. Once the model is developed, it is seamlessly logged in to the model registry. From there, the model can be deployed on Snowpark container services for distributed inference. This integrated approach makes the model operationalization efficient and scalable. Hey, let's keep the momentum going and now jump into the monthly announcements. So lock in. Join us at Data Engineering Connect. Join this virtual event to explore modern data engineering challenges. The next evolution in AI is here. Agentic AI is a form of artificial intelligence designed to function autonomously. This new guide is your one-stop destination. If you're more hands-on, go no further. Turn into our Building Enterprise Grade A Agents with Snowflake Cortex AI webinar. As you all know at Snowflake, our #1 priority is always putting our customers first. And this month didn't disappoint. We have a stack of new stories on unveiling the secrets of Gen AI success. Be sure to read them and see what you can roll out with your team. Penske fuels associate retention and safety with better performance insights. IntelliCare prevents job postings from falling through the cracks. Johnny O improves accuracy of geocoding address data to better serve customers. Alberta Health Services helps ER doctors automate note-taking to treat 15% more patients. Advisor 360 constantly gauges customer satisfaction using an automated pipeline. Thank you so much for joining us for Snowflake's April Snow Report. Be sure to jump over and check out the newsletter and get out there and build. We'll see you next month from a location you'll have to wait and see. I'll see you out there.